Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set out of office in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, we will need to go to our setup menu, and to do so, we need to click here and click on setup. And after that, we need to go to the quick find and search for the shutter settings. So here we just type shutter, and here we will find the shutter settings. So basically here we can find all these settings, and as we can see, we can find the out of office setting. So here we can set it on. So you can let the user set a message next to their name in Shatter to show when they plan to be out of office. So here we can enable it. But as we can see, we need to click on edit. And after that, we need just to go to Shatter office and let's search for our desired option. We enable it, and after that we need just to go and click on save. By clicking on save, we will have our setting that has been enabled successfully. So simply, this is all you need to do, and now your users will be able to send the message next to the name when they set out of office. And now you can go to your profile and click their name so you can open the profile settings and sign in or sign the out of office to your team, etc. So basically this is or those are the steps to take to set the out of office or the shutter settings on in your organization in Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.